Happy Friday, Zachary. How are you? So Mommy decided to move you over here because you were doing continuous crawling backwards and almost hitting the coffee table in your usual spot. So let's see how far you can get. Okay? Zachy. Hey, Zach. It's movie night. What movie are we gonna watch tonight? You miss RJ? He's gonna be home soon. You're a good kicker. I bet if we put you in swimming lessons right now, you'd be kicking the water like crazy. Right?
It's a delicious and complete meal for the dog you adore. Please grab them back. Introducing new Townhouse Flatbread Crisps. They're oven-baked flatbread crisps. With the taste of
Oh, there you go.
Italian herbs. Snack time, party time, anytime. Townhouse Flatbread Crisps. The everyday bread with a specially crafted taste.
Are you moving? Yay! Are you moving? Yay! Zachary.
What'll this be?
Look, you're getting closer to your doggy. I think you moved a couple of feet. Go, Zachy, go. 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 Hi. Go, Zachy, go. Go, Zachy, go. So your skin looks a lot better today. Hey! Hey now!
Took me
So Zachary, you started all the way over here, facing RJ's vacuum. You made it all the way back here, into your original spot. Can you go past the doggy? Can you pass the doggy?
What test? You mean, do I still see vision? Mom, remember we kissed?
I didn't know to say those words.
I'm not sure.
No, Mom? Still no, Mom?
Hi.
He's still wearing it.
You touched the doggy. Congratulations. Took you about 5 minutes, but you did it. Now what are you going to do? What are you going to do?